Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find Windows 10 system performance rating. Type PowerShell on Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy the command from description and paste it into command window. CPU score is displayed. E3D score is displayed. Disk score is displayed. Graphics score and memory score is displayed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.